How to listen to music offline on Pandora app. Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can listen music offline on Pandora app. So let's start with the video on how we can listen music offline on Pandora apps. But before that, make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So Pandora app may be available region to region, so it may not be available in some of the region. But if it is available and you are logged in into Pandora app, you'll be able to see this kind of interface on your screen where you'll be able to see For You, My Collection, Search, and Profile at the bottom. You're just gonna head up to the profile and directly go to your settings, and on your settings there should be an option of offline mode, but if you can't find it offline mode, maybe one of the reasons because it is not available on your region, or there may be various reasons, or you may have to subscribe to the premium version of the Pandora application. Otherwise, if you already have the offline mode, what you need to do is simply download some of the songs into your device. After that, whenever you are offline or there's no Wi-Fi connection, you may be able to listen to the Pandora music collection that you already have. Like, you can see the offline mode for the toggle option. If you turn this on, you can play the music that you have downloaded offline as well. And the next thing is the very convenient way is just subscribe to one of the Pandora's plans, a yearly or monthly. Look out for offers that are more affordable to you, and just go on and buy the Pandora offers, and you should be able to play the Pandora music offline very easily. So therefore, just go on with the process and you should be able to do it. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.